you tired of dealing with all these tangled hoses in your garden? We were too, until we found this game changer for our homestead. Hey Provident Preppers, I'm Jonathan. Today we are excited to be able to review the Vego retractable hose system. We have the 100-foot, we put 2 of these in, and it has made such a difference for us. So we're going to go through the installation, the pros and cons of this thing, so that you can decide if this is something that's right for you. First of all, let's just talk about the installation. This was actually fairly easy to install, mainly because Gavin, our worker, dug the hole for this. So we decided we'd mount it on a post. You could mount this on a wall, but we chose to put it on a post, and that has worked out really well for us. We dug the hole, we used Sackcrete to concrete this post in, and we anchored this in. Once we had the post concreted in, it was just simply a matter of putting this bracket on. This took about 5 minutes, and then this thing just sets right in on there. So super easy. Once this post was in, it was really fast to get this thing up and running. One of the things I do like about this, it does slide right in here. There is room for a little padlock if you wanted to put that on. We're not particularly worried about that, but it does come off very easily to store it for winter. And that's one thing I really like about this. This is very compact. We just pull this back off in the winter, put it away, and get it out in the spring. A really great feature of this is that you can just pull this out. You can take it where you need it. It will lock. And then when it's ready to go back in, you can just feed that back in and it winds right back in. I've dealt with other hose reels that are hand crank, and it's just, they're so frustrating to deal with. This is just a joy to work with. Another thing I really like is it swivels a full, it says 180 degrees, but it's actually more than that. So wherever we're taking this thing, it just swivels to help us get it where we need it very easily. One thing to be aware of, there is a little warning tag here. When you let it go back in, you need to do it gently. If you just let that thing go, it's going to cause all kinds of problems over time with this thing hitting and just the stress on the hose. So just like any other good tool, just use it gently and it will serve you extremely well for a long period of time. The case of this thing is UV resistant material, so it can sit out, and like I said, during the winter we'll put it away, but during the summer it's just doing its thing, and this case will last a very, very long time. So this system comes with everything you need to get started here, including this nozzle, which has 9 different spray patterns. So if I want to spray my wife, I have 9 different options to spray her with, and each one will get a little bit of a different reaction from her, all the way from this to this. So just whatever seems to fit my mood at the moment is how she will get sprayed. And then I can run after I retract very gently the hose. It also comes with this smaller nozzle. I haven't used this one as much, but it seems to be a fine option if you like the different spray that this provides. It comes with this quick connect here with the shutoff, and this shutoff I have to have on all my hoses because when I want to change, I don't want a mess. I just want to be able to turn that off. I want to unlock this, take this off and put it on a sprinkler head or whatever needs to happen. But this is just super nice. It's also got a shut off on here, so I can shut it off with my thumb or I can shut it off here. This is the second hose reel that we installed in Mama's kitchen garden. And again, this has worked really well here. It'll get to everywhere she needs. And then neatly just gets it back out of the way. The hose frustration had become boiling over for me, and it made me want to say naughty words because hoses, every time I'd pull them out somewhere, they'd get kinked, they'd get twisted. This has just worked out really well for us. I've been very, very pleased, and I'm looking forward to many more years of using this thing. If you're interested in getting a Vego retractable hose reel for your yard, check out the link in the description and use the promo code to save some cash. Now for the question of the day, what's your favorite tool to keep your garden watered? Drop it in the comments, and thanks for being part of the solution.